Good afternoon, students. Today we'll see this lesson, the Northern Plains. This is a 9th lesson. ये 9th lesson है. हम लोगों को ये देखना है. So the first introduction we'll see that the Northern Plain lies between the Himalayas mountains. ने that is ये जो Northern Plain है, ये हिमालय mountain के पास आता है and the Deccan Plateau region. So this region is known as the Indus Ganga Brahmaputra plain. Now this is known as, this region is called as Indus Ganga Brahmaputra plain. यानी ये रीजन को इंडस गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र प्लेन कहा गया. क्यों? क्योंकि ये तीनों रिवर्स यहाँ से फ्लो होते हैं. ये तीनों रिवर्स यहाँ से फ्लो होते हैं, इसलिए इसको इंडस गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र प्लेन कहा गया है. So it covers nearly 30% of the geographical area of India. यानी इंडिया का nearly 30% geographical area यहाँ पे complete होता है, means accommodated, and 40% of total population of India lives here. यानी 40% population यहाँ पे लोगों की है. That's why it is also called the heart of India. इसलिए ये रीजन को हार्ट ऑफ इंडिया कहा गया है. Now physical features of northern plain. In this we can see that the great plain of northern India, where is formed by the debris and sediment brought down in the this river of Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra and their tributaries. So the north in this we can see the great plains means ये जो ग्रेट प्लेन नॉर्दर्न प्लेन को ही ग्रेट प्लेन्स कहा गया है यहाँ पे. और ये जो फ्रेम होते हैं, ये फॉर्म होते हैं, ये डिब्रिस मीन्स बहुत सारे जो सेडिमेंट्स होते हैं, रॉक्स के सेडिमेंट्स, इससे वो फॉर्म होते हैं. ये गंगा रिवर के पास होते हैं और ब्रह्मपुत्र के इंडस गंगा ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर के पास होते हैं, और उसके ट्रिब्यूटरीज जो है नियर बाय एरियाज उसके पास ही होते हैं ये सब. सो इससे ही ये गंगा प्लेन फॉर्म होता है. सो द accumulation of sediments formed vast alluvial plains of northern India. We can see that is ये जो sediments हैं, ये यहाँ पे alluvial soil बहुत है. alluvial soil जो है ये plains के पास बहुत है ये northern India में. So we can see that in this place, these plains are flat and low lying. So they are classified into 3 main divisions. So the Punjab plain, this Punjab plain we can see now. It is drained in the river Indus. First plain it is Punjab plain. So second is the Ganga plain, drained by the river Ganga, and the Brahmaputra plain. So the Brahmaputra plain also we can find here in this place, which is drained by the river Brahmaputra, and that means the river water it is filled here in this plain of river, and this Brahmaputra river water we can find here in this plain. Now the Punjab plain it is there. All these 3 plains we find here. The Punjab plain it is there, that is the western part of the northern plain, it is called the Punjab plain. दिस वेस्टर्न पार्ट जो है नॉर्दर्न प्लेन में वो ये पंजाब प्लेन कहा गया है यहाँ पे. सो दिस प्लेन इज ड्रेन्ड बाय द इंडस एंड इट्स ट्रिब्यूटरीज. ये जो प्लेन है ये इंडस रिवर के वैली से ही ये भरा हुआ है, वाटर से भरा हुआ है, सच एज द सतलज, बेस एंड द रवि रिवर. सो ये सतलज जो है सतलज रिवर के वाटर से भरा है, बेस रिवर के वाटर से भरा है एंड रवि रिवर के वाटर से भरा है, क्योंकि ये तीनों रिवर्स एक साथ यहाँ पे मिल जाता है. ट्रिब्यूटरीज मैंने क्या जहाँ पे सारे रिवर्स एक साथ आके मिलते हैं, वहाँ उसको ट्रिब्यूटरीज कहा गया है. So this plain is made up of 5 silts and the soil is absolute this here absorbent. Soil बहुत ही अच्छा है यहाँ का. Absorbent means what? It is absorbing those this substances as well as the chemical. यहाँ पे जो भी chemicals present होते हैं soil में वो सब absorb कर लेता है और उससे silt बनता है, उसको silt बोलते हैं. So that's why the plain which is formed by the deposition of a new alluvium near the river bank is called bed. यानी जहाँ पे ये alluvium soil present होता है ये बैंक के पास, तो उसको बेट बोलते हैं. So the foothills of Punjab plain are covered by gravel, sand, boulders and clay, and it is called as Bhabar plain. So यहाँ पे जो फुट हिल्स जो होते हैं पंजाब प्लेन के पास, तो ये सैंड से बना हुआ है, बोल्डर से, और क्ले मटेरियल जो है यहाँ से बना हुआ है. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ भाबर प्लेन. Now we can see the foothills of Punjab plain. It is covered with gravel, sand, boulders and clay, and that's why it is called as Bhabar plain. ये जो बताया मैंने अभी, इसको ध्यान से याद रखना है. And that's why the soil here is extremely fertile. यहाँ का जो soil है वो fertile soil है. So major crops, यहाँ पे जो major crops हैं वो उसको राइस, व्हीट, शुगर केन यहाँ पे होता है. यानी फर्टाइल प्लेन होने की वजह से ये सब क्रॉप्स यहाँ पे दिखाई देते हैं. दैट इज राइस, व्हीट, शुगर केन, ये सब क्रॉप्स यहाँ पे ग्रो होते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन सी पंजाब इज कॉल्ड एज इंडियाज ब्रेड बास्केट. यानी पंजाब में व्हीट ज्यादा ग्रो होता है, पंजाब में व्हीट ज्यादा ग्रो होता है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज इंडियाज ब्रेड बास्केट. एंड इंडिया का ब्रेड बास्केट कहा गया है इसको. So the Ganga plain, now see the Ganga plain. Ganga is a major this river of the Indian subcontinent. Major river it is called as Ganga. ये main river है, इंडिया का subcontinent है. So that's why it extends from the eastern side of the this Punjab from the West Bengal border in the east. So यहाँ पे जो है वेस्ट गंगा रिवर का जो मेजर पार्ट है रिवर साइड का, तो ईस्टर्न साइड में जो आता है वो बहुत ज्यादा एरिया है. एंड दैट इज इट इज स्प्रेडिंग टू द ईस्ट आल्सो, फ्रॉम वेस्ट साइड टू द ईस्ट साइड. सो द पूरा बंगाल बॉर्डर इसमें कवर हो जाता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज गोइंग. This river spans the state of Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. And इसका जो flow है, river flow, that it is going into the Haryana side also, into the Delhi side also, and into the Uttar Pradesh also it is going. In Bihar also it is going, as well as in Jharkhand and West Bengal. यानी ये सारे स्टेट्स में, ये सारे स्टेट्स में ये वाटर, गंगा का वाटर जाता है. सो द रीजन, दिस रीजन इज ड्रेन्ड बाय द गंगा, यमुना, घाघरा, गंडक, कोसी एंड तीस्ता रिवर्स. यानी जिस यहाँ पे गंगा का ही पानी नहीं रहता है, यहाँ पे आता है, तो यमुना रिवर का as well as घाघर रिवर का, गंडक, कोसी एंड तीस्ता रिवर्स का, ये सब रिवर्स का पानी एक साथ मिल जाता है. they form a tributary and it originates. यानी कहाँ से आता है ये सब रिवर्स? ये पांचों रिवर्स का पानी हिमालय से आता है. and they form a tributary. So that's why Chambal river water, it is also coming and mixing in that. as well as Betwa river's water is also coming and mixing in that. Sun also comes and meet there, and Damodar river water also comes and meet there. And then when there's जब ये सब रिवर का पानी एक साथ जब आ जाता है, मिल जाता है एक साथ, और ट्रिब्यूटरी जब फॉर्म होता है इससे, तब ये डेक्कन प्लेटो पे आता है, यानी इट कम्स एंड नियर टू द डेक्कन प्लेटो, it forms the Deccan Plateau there, and also drains there this in the plain area also. That means from the Deccan Plateau it goes to the plain areas of this land, in this of the plain land of Ganga. So the plain is the most this populous region of India. So you can see that is a populous region means what? यहाँ पे population बहुत है. That is lok sankhya bahut hai yahan pe. That's why the land is very fertile also. That means the people which they are living here, they are having fertile soil here, and that's why they are growing the crops here too much. The agriculture is taking place here in a lot of manner, and that's why industry also we can find here, as well as the trade business also it is flourished here. And ट्रेड बिजनेस भी लोगों ने शुरू किया है, एक्सपोर्ट एंड इंपोर्ट बिजनेस, एंड दैट्स व्हाई द पीपल दे हैव गॉट अ फाइनेंशियल बेनिफिट आल्सो. यानी यहाँ पे लोगों को फाइनेंशियल बेनिफिट भी बहुत सारा मिला है. दैट्स व्हाई दिस गंगा प्लेन इट इज वेरी फेमस हियर इन इंडिया. नाउ द गंगा डेल्टा रीजन which we find, that is here we can see that by the sediments Ganga delta region, why it is called, यानी ये चारों पांचों रिवर्स जहाँ पे आके मिलता है, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज डेल्टा रीजन. यानी 7 rivers, 7 to 8 or 10 rivers, they are coming and meeting at the one place. That's why it is called as a delta region. So it is having a great flow of the water here in this place. So that's why it is very large delta region we find in this world. यानी यहाँ पे ब्रह्मपुत्र, गंगा एंड ब्रह्मपुत्र का जो डेल्टा रीजन है वो बहुत ही बड़ा डेल्टा रीजन वर्ल्ड में कहा गया है. So that is a Brahmaputra plain. Now the Brahmaputra plain region we find here. This region lies here under the northeastern part of India. Now this plain is flat region. यानी ये जो plain है ये flat plain है, which is formed in the debris brought down from the river Brahmaputra and its tributaries. Debris means all the soil part as well as the rocky part, which is the small stones also it is carrying with that water, and it is coming into the river of Brahmaputra and the tributaries. It is collected in the tributaries. यानी ये सब यहाँ पे tributaries में आके collect हो चुका है, and it is decomposed here. So when the Brahmaputra river moves to Arunachal Pradesh, its name changes to Singh. यानी अरुणाचल प्रदेश ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर जब फ्लो होके आती है तो उसको बोलते हैं सिंह. उसका नाम चेंज हो जाता है. That's why it is called as Singh. When it moves to Assam plain, यानी सेम रिवर, ये जो ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर आंध्र प्रदेश अरुणाचल प्रदेश से आसाम में जब जाती है, and it becomes this broad river, यानी बहुत बड़ी रिवर हो जाती है वो, and together with its tributaries, यानी एक क्यों वो बड़ी हो जाती है, क्योंकि ये ट्रिब्यूटरी सब रिवर्स आके उसको मिल जाते हैं, और जब वो बड़ी हो जाती हैं तो it is forming a drainage system. It is forming the drainage system of the Brahmaputra basin. That's why the region is here. It is very rich region. ये जो region है ये बहुत बड़ा region हो जाता है, and it is very rich in minerals also, like natural gas, petroleum, limestone, and coal. So all these kinds of minerals we find here in this place. Now the Assam ranks as the third biggest crude oil as well as petroleum and natural gas this producer in India. So Assam is at the third stage, third biggest stage to get the crude oil. यानी क्रूड ऑयल मिलने के लिए वो थर्ड स्टेज पे है. पेट्रोलियम भी होता है इसमें petroleum and natural gas also it is producing here in this place in the India part. So Majuli Island is there, which we find in the largest river bed in the world. So that's why we can see this is Ganga plain as well as the Brahmaputra plain. Now this Brahmaputra plain we have seen. अभी हम लोगों ने ये देखा तो ये बहुत ही rich plain कहा गया है क्योंकि यहाँ पे minerals भी मिलते हैं, and as well as we can see that petroleum substances also we find here in this plain. So here we can see there are many sand banks also, and ये sand banks sand के ढेर होते हैं यहाँ पे, and river islands also we find here. So we can see that according to this, the climate also of this northern plain, it keeps on changing according to the season wise. So season wise यहाँ का climate change होता रहता है. So in the summer season we find that it is hot. The summer season we find in this northern plain, it is hot and humid. So the rainy season, in a rainy season में it is monthly we can see that is in July to September. From the month of July to September we find that it is there rainy season. Rainwater comes from July to September, and the winters we find that is mostly it is desirable season. And a desirable season होता है means जो ऐसे एक टाइम पे नहीं फिक्स होता है वो. Some in the month it changes. So that's why it is called as a desirable season, and with a few spells of very harsh and cold days. So harsh and cold days means what? Where you can see that is there's droplets of ice. The droplets of ice, यानी droplets जो होते हैं ice के, जो छोटे-छोटे substances यहाँ पे गिरते रहते हैं, और यहाँ पे condition बहुत means बुरा होता है, कभी वो harmless होते हैं. That's droplets of ice. It is covering all the places. That's why sometimes it is becoming harmful for the people. So and that places are cold days places. So occupation of the people, यहाँ पे जो रहने वाले लोग हैं, यहाँ पे वो जो occupation करते हैं तो वो agriculture occupation करते हैं. So now we can see in the northern plain, this mostly the people which they are living, they are doing the agriculture occupation. Apart from this, they are doing the farming work. Agriculture means farming only, as well as the cattle rearing work, poultry farming work, forestry work. Forestry means cutting the woods. Forestry यानी क्या? Cutting the woods and selling that woods from that area, outside of that area, as well as the fishing they are doing. Fishing work also they are doing. That's why these are the things which we find that they are the livelihood of the people. ये सब चीजें अपना उनका अर्निंग के लिए उनको बहुत आसान होता है. That's why many industries also we find here in these places. That is textile industry, sugar mills, rice mills, sugar industry, paper industry, leather industry, sports industry, iron and steel industry, jute industry. All these different types of industries we find here it is developed in this region. And ये बहुत सारे ये industries यहाँ को देखने को मिलते हैं because the things are available there. The natural resources, natural resources जो यहाँ पे हैं available, उससे ये industries develop होती हैं. Now the importance of northern plains, that is very important, as this climate is favorable. ये climate सब चीजों के लिए favorable है, इसलिए ये fertile land यहाँ पे देखने को मिलता है. Flat surface also we find here in this place, and economically these people are much more rich here in these places. So they are getting one significance उनको मिलता है, so importance मिलता है in the northern plain. So there are rich agricultural lands. So you can see that in these places, agricultural land it is rich here, and the granaries of India also we find more. And granaries means what? The storage of the food grains, जहाँ पे food grains का storage ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा होता है. So वहाँ पे ये granaries बहुत होती हैं. So there is a smooth network of rails and roads. यहाँ पे नेटवर्क जो है रेल्स एंड रोड्स का वो भी बहुत अच्छे से होता है, एंड इट हेल्प्स अ ग्रेट डील इन द इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन ऑफ द रीजन. यानी इंडस्ट्रीज सेटअप होने के लिए यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे से लोग काम करते हैं. दे आर डूइंग द ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम आल्सो, कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम आल्सो इट इज देयर. You can see employment opportunities means the people are getting the employment here at a high level where there are densely populated regions. Now many regions, religious and cultural cultures flourish here. So most of the hydroelectric power plants, hydroelectric power plants भी बहुत सारे होते हैं यहाँ पे. That is Tehri region, it is there, Bhakra Nangal region, as well as Karchum and Wangtu and Deher region. And Deher Dam also we find it is located here. So the biodiversity of the Brahmaputra plain makes it the most popular this tourist spot for wildlife enthusiasts. So we can find this. These are the things which we find here. Wildlife also we find here in many places. Wildlife also we find here of many places in these areas. So people are very much enthusiastic. Here people are very much enthusiastic there for the biodiversity at the Ganga plain as well as at the Brahmaputra plain. So यहाँ पे लोग बहुत अच्छे से रहते हैं, and they are settled life. They are having their settled life in this place. Now this lesson it is over here. This lesson it is over here. I'll give you the answers of this lesson. So now this and write that answers in your notebook properly. So read the lesson once properly.
Sir, once